A healthy lifestyle is a way of living that promotes physical, intellectual, and social well-being. We know of its importance, but we don't always put it into action. So here are some ways by which you can improve your lifestyle and incorporate it into your busy schedule. This video will change your life, hence watch till the end and take action accordingly. 1. Drink enough water. Many people don't drink enough water every day. Water is essential for your body and brain to function, especially when you're exercising or spending a lot of time outdoors in the sun. Make sure you're drinking enough by carrying a reusable water bottle with you. If the taste of plain water isn't appetizing, try adding fresh lemon juice. 2. Exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. You don't have to go to the gym if that's not your thing. But it is important to get some exercise each day. This will keep you healthy and help you stay focused on your work. Walking is a great place to start because it requires almost no equipment and can be done anywhere. Just 30 minutes of regular exercise has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress levels, and help with weight loss. 3. Keep track of what you eat. It's easy to get caught up in our busy lives and forget about eating healthy food. However, it is very important that we eat nutritious meals throughout the day so our bodies have enough energy for everything we do. Keeping track of what goes into our mouths helps make sure we don't consume too much sugar or fat from junk food items like chips or cookies, which would then cause us unhealthy weight gain over time if done regularly without proper balance elsewhere in diet or lifestyle habits. It is never too late or too early to improve your diet. If you want to live a healthy life, then follow this dietary plan. Eat foods that are low in added fat, sugar, and salt. Eat plenty of grains, at least half your grains for the day should be whole grains. Eat plenty of vegetables and fruits each day. Eat some protein-rich foods such as lean meat, poultry, fish, eggs, tofu, nuts, or beans. Drink low-fat or fat-free milk or eat dairy products that are low in fat. Eat at least 3 meals a day. Always try to eat seasonal vegetables and fruits. Nature provides all remedies from the seasonal disease in the seasonal vegetable and fruit itself. Have water instead of soda, juice, or other sugary drinks. Avoid foods that are fattening or have no nutritional value. Drink milk or take a calcium supplement if you don't drink milk. Limit the amount of salt you eat. Eat fish twice a week. 4. Spend less time sitting at a desk. If you're like most people, you spend a lot of your time sitting at a desk. That might be at work, school or home. Unfortunately, all that sitting can be hard on your body. It can leave you with aches and pains in your back and neck, sore shoulders and wrists, and even headaches. The good news is that there are some simple things you can do to improve the situation. While you're at work, stand up and stretch whenever you get the chance. Take your phone calls standing up. Walk to a coworker's office or desk instead of sending an email or speaking over intercom. Don't eat lunch at your desk. Use your break time to get out of the office for a walk. Exercise while watching TV. This can be as simple as marching in place during commercials or doing calf raises while you're sitting on the couch. 5. Get outside more often. This is one of the most important things you can do. You'll get exercise and fresh air. Some studies have shown that just being outside is enough to improve your mood. So no need to run around the block. Just walk next door to a park or coffee shop, or go sit on the porch. You can also get a daily dose of vitamin D by spending some time outside on a sunny day. But don't forget to protect your skin with sunscreen. Go for a walk or jog around the neighborhood. Take a hike in the woods or explore a new park. Go for a bike ride. Visit the zoo or the aquarium. Take your kids to the playground or a splash pad. 6. Give yourself some time to relax each day. You deserve to take a break from your busy schedule. So, give yourself some time to relax each day. You can read a book, listen to music, watch TV, or just sit and think. If you have trouble relaxing, try deep breathing exercises. Each day, spend some time doing something you enjoy. Taking time each day to relax and enjoy yourself can improve your health. Find out how to relax your mind and body by doing something pleasant and calming. Pick up a hobby that you enjoy, such as gardening, singing or drawing. 7. Reach out to someone when you're feeling down. Sometimes we all feel a little down. And that's okay. But if you find that you're feeling down more days than not, it might be time to reach out to someone for help. Let them know how you're feeling. It could be a friend, a family member, or even a trained counselor. Make sure to keep up with your hobbies and interests. Even if you don't feel like doing anything, force yourself to go to a movie or a concert, or even just go for a walk in the park. Although you might think nothing can help, sometimes just getting out of the house will make you feel better about your situation. 8. Get quality sleep every night. The best thing you can do to keep your mind and body in good shape is to get quality sleep every night. Sleep is important for your heart, weight, mind, and more. During sleep, your brain forms new pathways that help you learn and remember information. Getting enough sleep can also help you do better in school. Adults need about 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep each day to be well rested and function at their best. But most people don't get enough sleep. Staying up late to finish homework or play video games, early morning practices or part-time jobs can make it hard to get the 7 to 8 hours sleep needed. Lack of sleep can make a person irritable and moody. If one has trouble sleeping, it can affect his or her job performance and relationship with people around them. Some of the tips may help you to get quality sleep. Don't drink caffeine, like soda or coffee, before bedtime. Making sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Switch off your TV, laptop, mobile, so that you won't get distracted. Do simple meditation technique, like close your eyes in sitting position, and follow the airflow through your nostrils during inhale and exhale. Say thank you to God for giving you this wonderful life, and then take your bed. 9. Take care of your skin. The skin is the largest organ in the body. It needs a healthy diet to stay in good condition. Eating a balanced diet can help keep your skin moist and supple. Drink plenty of fluids each day to avoid dehydration. To care for your skin, you don't need to spend a lot of money or buy fancy products. In fact, there are plenty of inexpensive ways you can treat your skin right at home. Remember, healthy habits make a difference. Wash gently with a mild soap or cleanser once or twice a day. Avoid scrubbing or using products that contain alcohol, as they can make your skin dry and rough. Use lukewarm water instead of hot water when washing and showering. Hot water strips the natural oils from the skin and leaves it dry and flaky. Over time, this leads to premature aging of the skin and leaves you more prone to develop rashes and other skin problems. 10. Smile more. Smiling is a great way to stay healthy. It's an easy way to lift your mood and the mood of those around you. Just watch what happens when you smile at someone. They smile back at you. It's a healthy thing to do. Smiling is a powerful expression of happiness. The act of smiling actually releases endorphins, the happy chemicals in your brain, and relaxes your body. It lowers stress and makes you feel good. I mean, why wouldn't you want to do that? The next time you're feeling stressed out or sad, try smiling looking at mirror. It may sound silly, but it really does help. Your daily health and wellness routine is an important tool for enhancing your quality of life. It can help you manage stress, stay energized, preserve your health, and improve sleep. With a few simple steps, you can create a personalized daily routine to help keep you on track. Thank you for watching this video. Now it's time for you to take action. Watch this video every day, which will motivate you to implement all the 10 points in your lifestyle. Please subscribe to this channel to bring such wonderful video to excel in your life, and don't forget to click the bell button to get regular notifications. Till then, goodbye and stay healthy.